What's good, YouTube? Welcome to the video. It's your boy Rick, and today I'm going to be talking about why money is a numbers game, is a percentage game, really. So I dropped a video about a month ago. It was called the number one key to success, or something like that. The number one secret to being rich, right? And it got about 60,000 views, right? Almost like 300 likes right there. I didn't really get a lot of likes. I'm getting better at my videos and stuff, but it got quite a bit of views. And so basically what I talked about in that video is building up yourself as a brand, right? That's the number one key, in my opinion, to success. Building yourself up as a brand, and then from that point on, you being able to have multiple streams of income, as well as properties, as well as products, as well as your name, right? A big thing about a new thing, right, with college athletes, right? I love college football, is name, image, and likeness, right? Which previously to I think 2021, the players were not able to capitalize on their name or their image or anything like that. They weren't able to profit at all, besides getting a regular paying job. They weren't able to receive just regular payments for being who they are, which to an extent it made sense, right? Because a big part of the college game is about recruiting, and you don't want people paying for players because it creates an unnecessary advantage. And so, there's a right way to do everything, there's a wrong way to do everything. But this video is not about NIL. This video is not about college athletes getting paid or not. This video is about money and how you can use the game of money, because yes, money is a game, like Monopoly, like Chutes and Ladders, like any game. It just has bigger risk and bigger rewards, right? Now, what I didn't say is getting money is easy. What I didn't say is getting money is these 5 steps, right? These 5 steps will make you rich. These 5 steps will make you rich, right? So, okay, any guys that are putting that nonsense out there, go ahead, just skip the video, because it's a whole lot of bullshit. It's a whole lot of bullshit. If you really want to get rich, if you really want to get rich, you'll think about this. Money is a percentage game. Okay, so listen. If I increase my profits 10% each week, that would be 520% increase every year. So you think about that. Percentage increases over number increases. You can get $520 every year, which would be $10 a week. 520% is crazy, right? So I'm trying to put this in a way for you guys to understand. This channel is going to be growing, right? Because I'm putting out content every day. So me right now, I make $0 on these videos. I make nothing. I have around 862 I have around 862 subscribers right now. A few months ago, I had no subscribers. So the percent increase, even though I made $0, was astronomical in just this time frame, right? And all it is just me putting out content. My YouTube Shorts page that I have, Ricky Lowe Shorts, it's my second channel, right? There'll be a link in the description. I uploaded 4 videos in 2 days and got 600 views. Just like that. And I'm not saying that to brag, I'm just saying the percentages, right? So you can do something for a long time and have a shitty product. You can do something for a long time and have a bad product with bad prices, and you're not going to see exponential growth. But if you really provide value, if you really provide something to the marketplace with a good enough price, a good enough incentive to buy, you'll become rich. Now that all sounds, cool. That all sounds good. But what's the real meat and potatoes? Why don't I get it, Ricky? Why don't I get it? Why am I not rich today? Is it because the greedy are the greedy and I'll never climb that ladder? I'll never make it to the top? No. It's because you just don't have the knowledge yet. So keep studying, keep reading your books, right? Keep reading Rich Dad, Poor Dad, 7 Highly Effective Habits. Read all these books, right? You might think it's corny, you might think it's lame, but if you spend this time that you're spending on that, reading these books instead of playing video games, going to the gym and working on your body so you can build yourself up as a brand, right? I'm building myself up as a brand. I'm doing these YouTube videos, making nothing from it right now. I'm in the red right now with YouTube. I'm still doing it because I know down the road the percentage return is going to be insane, astronomical, because I provide very good value. Not to suck myself off or anything, but I watch my own videos and I'm like, wow, that's a good point. I'm glad that I was able to provide that to the world. So money being a percentage game, right? I kind of got off topic a little bit, but focus on the percentages. Focus on percent increase. Don't worry about, okay, so let me rephrase that. If I have $1 and I turn it to $2, that's 100% increase. I only made $1, but that's 100%. You keep making 100%, 100%, 100%. That $1 turns to $2. 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512. Right? It keeps increasing. It keeps increasing. 1024, 2048. Right? It keeps increasing and increasing, right? And then if you focus on the numbers, I'm only going to make $500 a day. I'm making $500 a day. That's $500, $500, $500. Yeah, at the end of the year, you're going to have a lot of money. You're going to have, I don't know, 200,000, 150,000 or something like that. I'm not good at math, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, I failed algebra like 5 times. Yet I'm making a video on percentages. Right? Isn't that crazy how that works? But if you say I'm going to make $500 a day, which is reasonable, I've done it before. $500 a day to $1,000 a day. And you just make that consistently. You're not seeing any type of growth. Yes, you will be well off. Yes, you'll be able to pay your bills. But this money's about, this video is about how to get rich, right? And it's about percentages. I kind of went on a tangent so far. So let me just kind of recap, right? You have $50 in your pocket. You increase that number 50, right? $50. You increase it by 50%. You now have $75. You increase that $75 by 50%. You now have like $105, $115, right? You increase that by 50%. You now have $170. You increase that by 50%. You now have $250 or something like that, right? You see how it's not just going up by 25 anymore. Right? The first one, we had $50, we increased it by 50%. That's $25. Now, a lot of people will be happy with that $25, right? In quotations. But what I'm worried about and what I'm trying to get through your head is the percentage. That's 50%. If you can make 50% every day or every week or every month or every year, whatever percent that you're trying to get to, if you can make that consistently, the percentages, you will be successful. If you're worried so much about, I need to make $1 million, but you haven't made your first, what is it? I think it's $3,333 a day, something like that. That's how much you need to make $1 million a year. You know what? Let me look this up. I'm gonna go on the calculator app. So 1 million divided by 52 weeks in a year, right? You'll need to make $19,230 a week. Divided by 7, about $2,747, right? So I rounded it up to about 3K a day. 3K a day you need to make $1 million a year. Cool, you make $1 million a year. Next year you make $1 million. Year after that, $1 million. If you were to make 3,000% every day, let's try that.
Elsewhere.
$1 times point. 1 second. $1 times 3. $1 times 3,000%, $30. Okay, so it's 1 day. You got $30. Cool. It's not $3,000, but you got $30. Now you take that $30 and you times it again by 3,000%. $900. Cool. You're still not at $3,000 a day, but you made the same percentage that you made yesterday, and it went from $30 to $900. Now you're gonna do that again. Times 3,000. So 900 times 3,000%. You know what 3,000% of 900 is? $27,000. So if you make 3,000% every day, 3 days from $1, 3 days, $27,000 times 3,000. 3,000% of 27,000 is $810,000. So in 4 days, if you were to make 3,000% off of that $1, 3,000% off of that $1, in 4 days you'd have $800,000. So it's about percentages, guys. So we'll work with more easier to concept numbers. Let me see how my battery's doing. I'm at 9%. So we're gonna do some more easy numbers here. So say you have $50 and you're making a consistent, let's say 11%, or we'll do 10%. 50 times 10% is $5. So you're now at $55. The next day you're gonna make 10%. So, okay, so 55 times 10% is $5.50. So now you have $60.50, right? So it doesn't sound like a whole lot of money, but we keep going. Times 10%, that's $6 that you're making now. Boom. Add that to 60.5. Now you have $66.55. Take 10% of that again. 660. Boom. Add that. You're at $72. You keep doing it, you know what I'm saying? Like, so you went from making just a measly $5 to boom, now it's 6, now it's 7, now it's 8, now it's 9. And you keep racking up and it's the same percentage. This video is gonna go over a lot of people's head. This video is not gonna make sense to a lot of people. Fuck, man, a lot of you guys probably already clicked off. I'd be surprised. If you are still here, if you still made it to this point in the video, if you actually care about your financial future, I want you to comment, I made it. Comment right now, I made it. So I can see who's actually serious about this. Go ahead. I'm actually curious. Who is actually serious about your financial future? If you are, I want you to comment this. I made it. Now, guys, that's kind of all that I have to say. You know, I might have went off on a little bit of a tangent. I tend to do that in all my videos, but I promise, you know, I'm trying my best to put out really, really good, solid ass content for you guys, and I'm really working the best that I can. Money is a percentage game, guys, and the faster that you realize that money is a percentage game, the faster you will amplify your income. Speaking of amplifying your income, I am working on an ebook, right? Amplify Your Income is the title of that ebook. I was going to charge for it, but I'm going to drop it for free for you guys. And as soon as I finish this ebook, right, I'm going to drop it for you guys, and I cannot wait. I'm waiting until I hit 1,000 subs on YouTube. So if you really want that ebook, it's very, very detailed. It's very nice. I put a lot of fucking work into it, just like I do these videos. So if that's something that you're interested in, help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Share it with your friends. Go on your mom's laptop and look up my videos and hit subscribe. Go to your friends, go to the library, hit subscribe. Take their phones, leave a 5-star review on my podcast. Whatever it takes for you to help me, so I can in turn help you and get you this ebook for absolutely free. Nothing. I'm doing it out of the kindness of my heart for you. So all I ask for you, help me get to 1,000 subscribers, and like this video, share it with your homies. And remember, money is a percentage game. This is the ticket for you to win. I'm out.